Sundowns ke cheat code bafethu.
They should see the love that we have.
Is the Chiefs, the best team in South Africa.
This league is gonna show us films.
Greetings everybody, we're back again. Dimza Sport Entertainment, we're back. Loftus Vevel Stadium. Yeah, today Mamelodi Sundowns 4-1, the Chippa Boys. Khorman and Hambalo Wanda.
Wama Nomoaru, 7 isi.
Yeah.
Ubuya Elebote, Eastern Cape.
Yeah.
Yes.
Khorman, how was the game?
Yeah, he came bimnandi but wamka mama chidadlala ngendlela right. Siyazonwaba singabalandeli. Yeah, ngibebalekile ngo 3 points. Lesimfumene namanqaku azosithethela nayo egqibeleni.
Ne. Khorman man, ngiyabona man uMiguel Cardoso kancane uyabamba playing style eMamelodi Sundowns, and now I can see the way Mamelodi Sundowns is very dangerous. Hey, nami ngiyangithusa.
Yeah bra, yabona uyayibamba kancane coach ekuqaleni ubeke wakhona uqhaqhaqela ngoku uyabona ngoba istyle seSundowns shine and piano uhleli kuyo ngo straight and lento besiyifuna singabalandeli beSundowns ayibe singathi sifuna uba makathi simbetha besifuna kulunge lento then ngoku into zange zi right so sonwabile singamaSundowns. Yes.
Khurmane, the love of Mamelodi Sundowns, where does it come from? Ibuya kuphi?
Mkhulu wami iSundowns ndisuka nayo at age of 9 years.
Yeah.
Now I'm 44 years.
Yeah.
I'm still Sunderland and I will die Sunderland.
Yeah.
Yes.
Khurmane, man of the match yakho namhlanje?
Man of the match yami if bengaphumanga uNtsiki.
Yeah.
But ke uyawaphuma andikho sure ibinikwe abantu but man of the match benguNtsiki boze undlale kakuhle umshithi game namhlanje kakhulu.
Yeah, Khurmane ngibonga kakhulu man. Safe travels to Eastern Cape. We really appreciate your support and then keep on supporting this beautiful game. Now it will give you back the love.
Thank you bro.
Thank you.